All right, lift it slightly. Got it. Watch the alignment on the right side. Watch the alignment on the rollers.
We need to speed up the flow to clear the muck. All systems are reading green on the diagnostic panel.
The joystick response is perfectly calibrated.
Easy, easy, watch your spacing. All right, she's lined up, lower it down. Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on section 4. Looks good, lock it in. A little lower on this side. Got it. Now engaging the locks. Secure. Keep it coming down nice and slow. We need to align the bolts.
Almost there. Hold it steady.
We need to increase the pressure on line 3.
All right, opening the valve now. Keep an eye on the flow rate.
The readings are stable.
Excellent. The vibration elimination is verified.
Route the main line under the manifold. Secure that clamp tightly.
Watch the alignment on the far side. Clear on this side, lower it slowly. Torque is good. How's the readout?
Stable. We have solid contact pressure.
Lower it 5 more feet, slowly now.
Copy that. Watching the clearance on the left. Okay, hit it with the grease. Full pressure coming up. Check the seal. Looks good. Moving on.
These readings are within tolerance after the adjustment.
Good. Let's log it as calibrated then. We need more pressure on the steering cylinder.
Applying pressure now.
That's the correct alignment. Lock it down.
Secure that locking pin on Gantry 4.
It's in position, ready for the next section.
Okay, ease it in slowly.
Pressure is steady at 5 bar. Looks good. Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, slowly lower it down.
Section 4 is secure. Proceed to the next stage.
Okay, the bolts are secured.
Verified on the tablet. We have a green light. Installation complete.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the left. Coming down slowly, confirming green light. Got it, bit more to the right. Looks good here. How are the readings on your side?
Consistent with the model predictions, we are clear to proceed to maximum load.
Lower sequence initiated. Clear the drop zone.
Roger that, coming down slowly.
The resistance levels look good on the tablet.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
The readings here match the diagnostic output.
Yes, the calibration is successful. We can sign off on the validation process now.
Bring the cradle down slowly. Watch the clearance on the main drive.
Copy that, cradle lowering.
The assembly sequence is detailed on page 42, matching the blueprint.
Confirmed. We'll include this in the final handover package.
I'm maintaining the pitch by adjusting the articulation jacks on the left side.
Yes, that keeps us precisely on grade. Now monitor the torque.
As you can see on the schematic here, The pressure in the main hydraulic line needs to be precisely 60 megapascals.
This financing structure minimizes your upfront capital expenditure for the TBM, ensuring project liquidity throughout the 5-year build.
Initiating fail-safe sequence. Stand by for transfer.
Transfer complete. All systems nominal.
As you can see, the multi-cutter head is designed for variable geology. It allows us to adapt in real time.
And the projected timeline for a bore this size. If we look at the critical path, the TBM delivery is key.
I agree. We need firm confirmation on this Q3 date.
As you can see, we are exceeding the projected boring rate by 15%. Impressive work. We are ready to move forward with the next phase. As you can see, the stress test results are well within tolerance.
Very good. We are satisfied with the performance.
How are we looking on the R300s? Almost done with this crate. Inventory looks accurate so far.
By tapping here, we activate the automated alignment sequence, increasing the cutter head rotation remotely.
This wasn't just vendor relationship, it was a true partnership. Their support team ensured we maximize uptime on the boring machine.
All right, easy now. Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with the seating.
As you can see here, the TBM is precisely following the planned trajectory. The GPS coordinates update in.
We are finally ready to begin the mobilization of this incredible machine. Let the tunneling commence!
Torque is good on this side. Readings are stable. We have subsurface detection capability. Ensure the coupling is secure.
It is secure. The pressure looks stable on the gauge.
How does the wrist support feel at this angle?
It's comfortable. I don't feel any strain.
The welding seams here must meet the Class 1 specifications as per the documentation.
Verified. The certificate of conformity.
The guidance path is projected directly ahead. And here on the screen, the navigation system confirms we have
pressure gauges are within tolerance.
Confirmed. I have logged the readings.
Final acceptance criteria met. We are good for delivery.
It's finally complete. Thank you for choosing us.
We are excited to put this machine to work.
Congratulations, everyone.